Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Bose Earpads is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Bose QuietComfort 35 owner, as over time, the original earcups can wear out, leading to discomfort and diminished noise-canceling performance, making the listening experience far less enjoyable than it once was. Number 5. SoloWIT Replacement Earpads for Bose QC35 and QC35-2. These replacement earpads are designed to perfectly fit your Bose QuietComfort 35 and QuietComfort 35-2 headphones. Enjoy a seamless upgrade for your audio experience. Replacing your old earpads is now easier than ever. With the included plastic stick and user guide, you can install them in about 5 minutes. Crafted with high-density foam and premium protein leather, these earpads create a perfect seal. Experience superior noise isolation and richer bass. Give your beloved headphones a fresh new look and feel. Don't hesitate to replace your worn-out earpads with these comfortable and high-quality ones. We are committed to developing professional and ergonomic earpads. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for a replacement. These earpads are compatible with a wide range of Bose models, including QC2, QC15, QC25, QC35i, QC35-2, AE2 series, SoundTrue around ear, and SoundLink around ear headphones. What we like. Experience superior noise isolation and enhanced bass with these earpads. If you're looking for a comfortable fit that seals out distractions, these are a great choice. They are ideal for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in their audio without interruption. What people say. The cushions fit perfectly just like the original factory pads, and the installation was straightforward and hassle-free. The material feels soft, premium, and very comfortable even during long listening sessions. The memory foam provides excellent support, and the seal is great, which helps maintain the original sound quality and noise isolation. These SoloWIT replacement earpads cushions for the Bose QuietComfort 35 were very easy to install and fit perfectly. They look great on the headphones and feel comfortable, with a nice soft seal that brings the QC35s back to life. Number 4. SoloWIT Protein Leather Earpads for Bose headphones. These replacement earpads are designed to be compatible with a wide range of Bose headphone models. Enjoy a perfect fit for your beloved audio gear. Replacing your old earpads is a breeze. With the included plastic stick and user guide, you can install them quickly and easily, usually in just 5 minutes. Crafted with high-density foam and premium protein leather, these earpads create a brilliant seal around your ears. Experience superior noise isolation and richer bass. It's time to refresh your headphones. Don't hesitate to replace your worn-out earpads with these new ones to give your expensive headphones a brand new feel. We are committed to developing professional and ergonomic earpads. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please contact us for replacements or refunds. What we like. Enjoy excellent noise isolation and richer bass with these premium earpads. If you want to give your headphones a fresh look and feel while improving sound quality, consider these. They are perfect for audiophiles who appreciate a deep, immersive listening experience. What people say. The installation was super easy, just a quick swap, and they fit perfectly. The cushions feel incredibly soft and premium, making my headphones much more comfortable for long listening sessions. Sound quality feels just as crisp as before, and the ear pads provide a snug fit that helps with noise isolation. Number 3. Aurivor Replacement Ear Pads for Bose QC35, 2, 2515-2. Tired of ear pad splitting? Ours feature hybrid seaming, making them perfect for heavy daily use, from workouts to long flights. They're newly improved for even greater durability. Experience superior comfort and longevity with our upgraded protein leather. It's softer, more durable, and resists peeling for a cleaner look that lasts. Sink into plush comfort with our custom memory foam. These pads feel just like the originals, providing hours of enjoyable listening without any ear pressure. Don't compromise on your audio. These replacements are engineered to preserve the original sound profile, ensuring your music sounds exactly as intended. Get back to your audio in no time. Installation is a breeze, requiring no special tools or skills. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement process. What we like. These earpads feature tear-proof seaming and upgraded protein leather for durability and a polished look. If you need replacements for heavy daily use, including workouts or travel, these are an excellent option. They are designed for those who demand longevity and consistent sound quality. What people say. The cushions themselves are nice and plump to the touch, same feeling faux leather that the original ear cups were made of. They have a nice seal for ambient noise cancellation and are really comfortable to wear. Snapped right in, easy to install, fit perfectly. Feels like factory fresh product. Designed for comfort, durability, and easy installation, these ear pads bring your headphones back to life at a fraction of the cost of official replacements. Built with high-quality protein leather and reinforced stitching to prevent wear and tear. Memory foam padding ensures a snug, cushioned fit for long listening sessions without discomfort. Number 2. GEVO replacement ear pads for Bose QC35 and QC35-2. Experience unparalleled comfort with our premium ear pads. Crafted from soft PU leather and adaptive memory foam, they provide maximum comfort for hours of listening pleasure. Our ear cushions are designed to improve noise isolation, ensuring you hear only the purest sound. They are thicker than the originals for enhanced durability and comfort. These replacements are specifically designed for Bose QC35 and QC35-2, as well as SoundLink 1 and 2 AE over-ear models. Enjoy a perfect acoustic seal for a quieter experience. Replacing your old ear cushions is a breeze. Simply snap on the new ones to restore your headphones' comfort and sound quality. Each package includes 2 ear pads, dust-proof scrims, and cleaning wipes. We guarantee your satisfaction, so reach out if you encounter any issues. Choose GEVO for durable, comfortable, and high-quality replacement parts. We are dedicated to enhancing your audio experience. What we like. Achieve maximum ear comfort with adaptive memory foam and extra durability. If you prioritize long listening sessions without discomfort, these are the ones to get. They are perfect for users who wear their headphones for extended periods throughout the day. What people say. Installation was easy, and it comes with the tool for taking out the old ones, and also adhering the new ones in. They look and feel very, very similar to the originals and were super easy and quick to install. It is soft and comfortable. It is of great quality, highly recommended. Number 1. Bose QuietComfort 35 Ear Cushion Kit. Is your favorite pair of headphones losing its comfort? It's time to bring them back to life with these replacement ear cushions. These ear cushions are specifically designed for the Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones. Enjoy the perfect fit and original sound quality. Replacing your old ear cushions is simple and quick. You'll be enjoying your music in renewed comfort in no time. This kit includes a pair of ear cushions, ensuring both sides of your headphones are refreshed. Get a complete replacement for optimal comfort. Don't let worn-out ear cushions diminish your listening experience. Restore the immersive sound and plush comfort you love. What we like. Get a guaranteed fit with these original Bose ear cushions. If you want to ensure perfect compatibility and maintain the original feel of your headphones, these are the best choice. They are ideal for users who prefer to stick with official manufacturer parts for their Bose QuietComfort 35. What people say. The Bose QuietComfort 35 replacement earpads are a perfect fit for the headphones, maintaining the original comfort and sound quality. Installation is straightforward, taking only a few minutes to replace the old, worn-out earpads with the new ones. The material used for the earpads is soft and durable, providing a comfortable listening experience for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.